Hi, my name is Hani Nunui Ang. I'm going to do a demonstration on individual project about smart door lock with intruder alert system using Raspberry Pi. First component is doorbell connected to a GPIO pin on the Raspberry Pi. Pressing the doorbell trigger an input signal to the Raspberry Pi. LCD display connected via I2C or GPIO. Display message such as press the doorbell or password. Raspberry Pi camera connected through the CSI camera port. Capture image upon door press, password attempt or door tampering. And we have a keypad connected to multiple GPIO pins used to enter a password or unlocking the door. Buzzer connected to a GPIO pins activated when unauthorized access is detected. And the relay module connected to a GPIO pin to control the solenoid lock. Unlock the door when activated. Magnetic switch sensor connected to a GPIO pin as well. Detect the door position, open or close. Solenoid lock. Power via the relay module. Engage or disengage to lock or unlock the door. Now we will be testing out the system functionality. For scenario 1, doorbell press as known as visitor request access. When a visitor presses the doorbell, the Raspberry Pi detects the input signal. The LCD display will show look at the camera. The camera captures an image of the visitor. And notification is sent via the Blink app to the user. The captured image is emailed to the user, and the user can unlock the door remotely through the Blink apps. Door is unlocked. Scenario 2, password entry as known as authorized access. A family member or visitor enter a password using the keypad. If the correct password is entered, the relay activates, unlocking the solenoid lock. If the incorrect password is entered 3 times, access is denied. An alert notification is sent via the Blink apps. The camera captures an image of the individual. The captured image is emailed to the user. Scenario 3. Force door entry as known as Intruder Alert. If someone attempts to force open the door while it is locked, the magnetic switch sensor detects the door position change. The buzzer is activated to sound and an alarm. The camera captures an image of the intruder. A notification is sent via the Blink apps. The captured image is emailed to the user, prompting them to inform the authorities. Thank you for your time and thank you for watching.